The Universal Security Sensing Plus Multi-Criteria Living Area Smoke and Fire Alarm has you covered with its 10 years of permanent battery power. This 2-in-1 smoke and fire smart alarm provides 10 years of continuous protection against fast flaming and slow smoldering fires. Equipped with the new Sensing Plus Multi-Criteria Smoke and Fire Sensor, this alarm uses artificial intelligence to differentiate and classify smoke and fire profiles and conforms to UL Standard 217 8th edition. On the front of the alarm, you'll find a single silence test button with 2 LEDs indicating smoke and power, and the tamper-proof design prevents others from tampering with the alarm's battery. The USI Sensing Plus Multi-Criteria Living Area Smoke and Fire Alarm with 10-year tamper-proof sealed battery comes with a 10-year warranty on the battery and alarm. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.universalsecuritystore.com.